You aren't each.
They're fucking horrible, these kids, aren't they? Quick, best friend.
Fuck off. Under this way, babe.
Oh, yeah.
But yeah, your auntie's not the, your mum's not the, don't know what I said. Hey, you sit over for it. Yeah? What?
I've been funny, eh?
Yeah.
This is like a fucking horrible.
Yeah, innit? Especially the lift noise and the lift carpet. It's scary, doesn't it? It's like we're going to have a murder in here.
I know. Fucking murder.
Murder on dance floor.
Doors open.
Left 3. Oh, it's all the same. It's all the same.
It's all the same.
It's all the same. Probably, babe.
Going down.
No, we're not going down, we're going up. We want to see the next level.
Doors closing.
Doors closing.
Floor.
4th floor.
Doors
Opening. Oh, our room's down here, babe. What's you holding your fanny for? It's like a good excuse.
What's over in my shame was that one?
It does look like it, doesn't it? But then they all look the same. 2. You so scary laughs.
We went to go see girls on our night. It was so good. Amazing. Loved it.
I loved it too.
second.
God, they're going to be like someone's playing in the room.
I know. It's gonna break soon.
Doors open.
So we've just gotten 3, 4.
You know.
No, you meant 2.
You look like my ex-girlfriend then. My ex-girlfriend called Shannon. No, she was my girlfriend.
Was she girlfriend?
No, she was just my fuck for one night.
Wow, it's fucking boiling in here.
Oh, bit of porn going on in here. Oh. Get a drink, I suppose, eh?
Hello? 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 Hello?
Shut up, yeah? Hello, cowboy from Toy Story. How you
I'm
doing?
doing very good, baby. How are you doing?
I'm doing good, man.
How are you doing?
Oh.
Sexy Buzz Lightyear?
I'm doing good, man.
How's it going down under?
It's going down under. I'm going down under, and you'll come down under.
Divert.
Oh, she's coming! Oh, this is a spaceship. Oh, spaceship.
Beth, go and fix it. Your maintenance person.
Oh, yeah, hold my torch.
Hey, shut up. You've been to the toilet since I've been to the toilet.
No, but hold my torch.
Fuck off.
I did go to the toilet, yes. Just try not to be, man. I need the light. Anyway, why did you need to know before I went to the toilet after you lazy bugger? Wait, with your fleas.
Because I put the toilet seat down.
No, you after it. Did you think I'm a man? Do you use the toilet seat up, do you?
When I'm finished, I put the
What, so you'd go to a place like that? Like a man?
No. I put the lid down, you twat.
Well, why? It's not like it's your house. You gotta impression me. We're telling your mum that comes around to visit for your Sunday roast.
Shut up, man.
What do we got
watching. Hello.
I'm buzzing, mate.
Right.
Again.
You stopped it?
No.
Oh, yeah, well, stop it then, innit?
Sorry.
People